So for my 94 Aerostar van, got the starter out. I want to show you guys a few things as you're taking it out. Like that's the bars, drive shaft, the front shaft bar. So just slide it over that way towards the passenger side. It gives you just enough room to back that starter out and pull it out of here. But you need to take off that positive cable first, which is a 13 millimeter socket. And as you take that off, then you can pull it out the car enough to pull it down enough to take the little wire off that's on the back of it, which was a 10 millimeter. Some of those be 8 millimeters, but in this case it was a 10. Going to get the new starter and put it in, and she'll be right back. And to put it in, you do the reverse. Put this wire on first, 10 millimeter, slide it up in there, put that on there. It's 13 millimeter. And to get that out, I had to use a wrench, a 13 millimeter wrench. Use that side, put it this way. I was able to get behind it like so and get the bolt off the back of it. Put that up in there, put it back, put your two screws back side the starter, slide your drive shaft back in place, put the 4 10 millimeter screws back in, hook the battery back up, and you're done. Subscribe to my channel, Rails the Car Guy.